Alrighty, it's been a few months since I've done a video, but that's just because I wanted to let my GoMining kind of just do its thing, build up its rewards, and that way we get a better little update. And they have changed their interface, so now it's MinerWars rather than what it was before. Can't really remember the name of it, but now rather than having the rewards come out daily, they are coming out weekly. So you can see before it was, don't know why it stopped at 9:11 really, but 9:10, 9:11, 9:13. I don't know why it's, oh wait, 9:13, 9:13. Okay, I guess I did a double payout this day by accident. But you can see it was only like $1, and then when they switched to the MinerWars, it started paying it out weekly, so it was collecting all those rewards and paying it out after. And you can see that the electricity fee, other than the first week, wasn't really that bad, even on the services. But then following that, it's kind of just been sucking up a lot of the pool reward. So at the moment, I've only been getting maybe 1/3 of my initial pool reward, but we are at 0.011 Bitcoin mined, so $900 US, not bad. That's just over $1,100 Canadian, and I've only invested $5,500 or around $5,300. So for 8 months of mining, I've gotten pretty decent reward back already, about 20%. And now the way that this interface works, you have your little service button. So this is where you service it, and you can see that I missed my service a few days ago, so now I'm restarting, so I'm not at the nice 3% discount that I should have for my rewards, but that's okay. So now they have it in the rewards distributed through each time it's mined, and it saves it up for the entire week. So you have all these blocks, all these little ones. I could keep scrolling for a bit to get down to it, but there's no point. And then it even shows personal ones, so if you personally want to block yourself, you get the reward here, and I believe it gets paid out in GoMining tokens, so that's kind of good. If you're an owner, this is where your owner stats are. But yeah, this is the update on the GoMining situation. I've yet to add any more power to it. My efficiency is still at 20. It's on the ETH chain. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, just shoot them over. Just know Bitcoin is booming, so you better get on the mining before it's too late. Or accumulate your Bitcoin as needed. Later, guys.